Hello guys, welcome to Graphicdad. So in this video we are going to create this icon design. So first of all, take a rectangle tool and make a box. Now align it center. Now after the making the rectangle tool, go to the rotate tool, double click. Make sure you are going to fill 45 and OK. After that, go to director selection tool. We are going to remove very left corner, select and press remove. Now select these two nodes, top or bottom, and then click on connector selected and endpoints. Now take again rectangle tool and make a horizontal line. Now select the rectangle and now we're going to make it round corner like this. Now go to edit, copy, edit, paste in place. Again edit, copy, edit, paste in place. Make sure there will be no space between these lines. Again edit, copy, edit, paste in place. Now in total we need 7. Go to edit, copy, edit, paste in place. Now select all, make them center. You can adjust the width and height like this. Now take a director selection tool. We're going to make our arrow a little bit bigger. Now to make it abstract, we're going to adjust these rectangles coordinates. So first of all, pick this one, move a little right, this one a bit of left, same this one. Like this. View outline, you can see. Now select all, then choose shape builder tool. Okay, so hold shift. We're going to select the arrow and first one. Now it has become a one shape. Now we're going to remove this one. So press Alt like this. Now again press Shift. Now press Alt to minus, press Shift to plus, Alt to minus, Shift to plus. Now you can see we have made this beautiful icon. Now we're going to fill it with color. So we already have gradient, so select eyedrop tool and click on it. Your icon is ready. So please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.